PyCharm now. Let us create two lists or tuples. First, let me do with lists. Lists are created within square braces. I am having the simple elements without making our video much complicated. Okay, and list 2 is equals to again square braces 2 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, now you cannot find the common elements between two lists, but you can find common elements between two sets. Okay, now I want to convert these lists to sets. You can use set constructor to convert lists into sets, and set 1 is equals to set of list 1. Okay, and again set 2 is equals to set of list 2. Now you can find the intersection between these two sets. Set intersection is equals to set 1 dot intersection of set 2. Here you can exchange, you can interchange the set 1 and set 2. Okay, now I want my output to be in the form of list, as I want to find common elements between two lists. Okay, so I'll provide list constructor to convert set to the list. Now I'll run my program, run sets. Yeah, 1 and 3. It has returned us the common elements between these two lists. Okay, now in the same way you can find the common elements between two tuples. Tuple 1, I'll name it to be T1 and T2. T1. I'll just change the square braces to parentheses, by which I can convert the list into tuples. Okay, now here set 1 is equals to set of T1 and set 2 is equals to set of T2. Okay, now in the same way I'll find set 1 intersection set 2, and finally I'll print. This time I'll have tuple of list 1, set intersection. Okay, sorry. Now I'll run my program, run sets. Yeah, 1 and 3. So in this way you can find common elements between two sets by converting them into, common elements between two lists or tuples by converting them into sets. Okay, if you don't have basic knowledge about sets, lists and tuples, I'll throw some videos about them, about their explanation in my description box. You can go through them. Okay, thank you.